VM खलीलुर रहमान चैनल में आपका खैर मकदम है।
Assalamu alaikum. I am reading an important message appeared in the Hindu newspaper. Please listen to it. Urdu Mushaira draws poetry lovers to Tiruchi. The Hindu Bureau, Tiruchi. Lovers of Urdu poetry flocked to the Mushaira poetry gathering organized by the Tiruchi Urdu Sangam after a hiatus of 10 years on Monday. The Mushaira, a South Asian literary tradition where Urdu poets present their compositions in verse or song to a responsive audience, was held as part of the Sangam's Miladul Nabi program commemorating the birth of Prophet Muhammad. Miladul Nabi is expected to be observed on August 26 this year. In his inaugural address, Naimur Rahman, Vice Chairman, Tamil Nadu Urdu Academy, said Urdu was a perfect example of India's multilingual heritage and more should be done to popularize its usage among the general public. He praised the efforts of the authorities at the national and state level to promote Urdu. S.M. Munawwar Nainar, former Associate Professor of Arabic, Jawaharlal Nehru University, said the vocabulary of Urdu and many other Indian languages still carried the roots of Arabic and Persian, showing the unity within diversity of the nation. Sayyid Rafiq Basha, former director, All India Radio and Doordarshan, and Muhammad Hanif Khatib, General Secretary, Mutahida Urdu Tanzim Trust, Confederation of Urdu Associations, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, were among the special invitees at the gathering. Poets Shahid Madrasi, Asangani Mushtaq Rafiqi, Anwar Tirpaturi, Asangani Ashfaq, Imtiaz Basha, and Mahir Madrasi presented their compositions at the Mushaira. Students of Gharib Nawaz Academy presented Naat songs in praise of Prophet Muhammad. Sayyid Mutahar Sakhaf, President, Tiruchi Urdu Sangam, spoke. Thank you for your listening.